Welcome to our tutorial on managing your Candy Crush privacy settings. If you prefer to keep your gaming activity private and stop showing when you were last online, this video will guide you through the steps to disable the Show Last Time Online feature in the Candy Crush app. First, open the Candy Crush game app on your phone. Next, look for the Settings icon at the top right, tap on it. Then, inside the settings, scroll until you see a section called Feature. Tap on it to open the available options related to additional functions of the game. After that, find the option labeled Show Last Time Online and toggle it off to disable the feature. Finally, exit the settings menu. Your changes will be saved automatically, and your last online status will no longer be visible to others. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching.